Today we are looking at the price elasticity of demand, both calculation and interpretation. Our sample question: calculate and interpret the price elasticity of demand for bottled water, given that the quantity demanded falls from 500 to 400 when the price increases from $1 to $1.50. Our formula: elasticity of demand is equal to percentage changed, the delta here stands for change, in quantity demanded over the percentage change in price. Now, it's recommended that we do the calculation separately. That is, find the percentage change in quantity demanded, then find the percentage change in price, then do the division. So here goes. For percentage change, we use the midpoint rule. Right? For the midpoint rule, we use the new quantity, Q2 minus the old quantity, Q1, divided by the average of the two quantities. So Q2 plus Q1 over 2. Right? So new minus old over the average. That's the midpoint rule. So using our values, it says quantity demanded falls from 500 to 400. So that means the new quantity is 400 and the old is 500. So we have 400 minus 500 over the average. So it's 400 plus 500 divided by 2. That gives us negative 100 divided by 450. And when we do this division, we get negative 0.2222. Now, I like to use 4 decimal places because when we convert this to percentage by multiplying by 100, we still have 2 decimals. Alright, so multiply by 100 to get the percentage, and it's negative 22.22%. So our percentage change in quantity demanded is negative 22.22%, meaning that quantity demanded has fallen by 22.22%. Alright, on to the percentage change in price. And we're still using the midpoint rule, so it's a new price, P2 minus the old price, P1, divided by the average of the two prices. So, new price is $1.50 because price increases from $1 to $1.50. So, the new price is $1.50 minus the old price $1, and we divide by the average of these two prices. So, we have $1.50 plus $1 over 2. This gives us 50 cents divided by $1.25. And when we do this division, we get 0.4, which converted to a percentage will become 40% because we simply multiply by 100 to get the percentage. So the percentage change in price is 40%, right, meaning price increased by 40%. So we're back to the original formula. And we now know that the percentage change in quantity demanded is negative 22.22%, and the percentage change in price is 40%. So we put the values in the formula, and we have negative 22.22% divided by 40%, which gives negative 0.56. So our elasticity of demand is negative 0.56. So we now need to interpret this result. And for the interpretation, we have 3 possibilities. If the absolute value of the elasticity is less than 1, then demand is inelastic. And the absolute value just means the number that's there. Ignore the negative sign. Alright? If the absolute value is equal to 1, we have unit elasticity. And if it's greater than 1, we have that demand is elastic. So in this scenario, the absolute value of the elasticity of demand is just a number, 0.56. So we'll leave off the negative sign. And we realize that 0.56 is less than 1. So as a result, we can conclude that demand is inelastic. Alright, so I hope this helps. All the best. Blessings.